morning, my lovely. Welcome to Mickey and my craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unboxing of Biggestcraft, some stamp cross stitch. We have 5 over here. So what we're gonna do one by one. We might do another video, okay? Depends on the timing, because I don't want to take too much time, but I know you guys like to see the thread and everything. Okay, so I hope everybody's doing okay. Without further ado, let's get started. This one is called Autumn Gazebo. It's a 28 by 28 14 count 2 strands. Okay, they are fairly small ones. Let's see. Oh boy, there's a lot of half stitch on this one. This one have 43 colors, right? And it got, well, actually it's in total 54, because you got 3 back stitch and number 54 is a back stitch, and you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 20, 30. 30 half stitch. Okay? Out of 54, 30 is half stitch, 23 is back stitch, and 21 are full stitch colors. Here it is. Oh, it's only 1 page. Here it is. The whole thing is practically done on half stitch. It's a lot of half stitch over here. You can see it. You can see it over here by the cross one. That's on the chart. So, and here are the color, and here how it's supposed to look. This is a pretty one. Okay, and it's not that big. It's a 28 by 28, and here it is. It's a partial because not the whole thing is stitch, only the round one. But this one, boy, has a lot of confetti. A lot of confetti. And over here it's telling you the direction of the half stitch. If you notice it, let me get closer. I'm gonna have to change the battery pretty soon. If you look closer over here, right, this is a half stitch. It goes this way, so it goes from 3 to 4. While this one goes this way, it goes from 1 to 2. And you gotta be mindful of that, because that's the effects that it may have. Okay, so having said that, according to the chart, these are not half stitch. Let me see. No, they're not half stitch. Sorry, I have to correct myself. They're not half stitch. They are symbols of the color, because the chart telling you that where there is a half stitch, it go from 1 to 2. That's your half stitch. Plus Here it is, your half stitch. It goes from left to right, up, left, up, left, up. That's very important. So the symbols are clear. Like I said, this is not a half stitch, this is a symbol, okay? It's best if you go by this and you have over here the symbols for the half stitch. But this, I think it tends to be a little bit confusing, so I don't know. I haven't done one, so here it is. So now let's look at the thread. We got the 2 needles, like always. It's 43. And like always, we have to take these ones out because I like to have them. And it's not that many thread for one particular color, probably for the back stitch. Okay. I'm trying to fix it, guys. That's why. Here it is. Beautiful colors. It's supposed to be called Autumn Gazebo. You got some autumn colors in there. Beautiful. I don't have any problem working with this thread as long as you wax it a little bit. Not that much though. So let me put it in here. If I can fit the whole thing at the same time. Okay, that's one. We took care of it. The second one is this one. Time for embroidery. The ducklings. I found this one cute. 18 by 17, 14 count, 2 strand. And probably this one is even smaller because the other one was 28 by 28. So this one is a small too. I hope your fur babies are doing okay. So here it is. It's gonna have a lot of back stitch, but that's no problem for me. I like to keep it simple, not complicated. Well, it had 2 sets of full stitch. In one it says 20, well, in both says 27 colors. Then you got about 4/8 half stitch and 2/4 back stitch. So it's 29 colors in total. But it's giving me 2 sets. It doesn't tell me what these mean. So I will go by the chart and then look at the number. like over here. Or I will go to Google and trying to translate that. Let me check if I can do that real quick. Let me check Google Translate. Drawing legend. Printed cloth. Oh, okay. That's what he's telling me. This is for the drawing legend. This is for this. For the shard. But this one is the one in the printed cloth. Let's get to it. Here it is. You see how small? 27. Here it is, the symbol. Printed cloth and the shard, the legend. So it has 27 colors, 4 half stitch and 2 back stitch. Here it is. Beautiful. Look at how small it is. And then we got the 2 needles, which is hallmark of Joy Sunday. They always give you 2 needles. And here are the colors. So this is pretty too. Do one more and then we do 2 the next time, or you want all of them in one video? I like to do all of them in one video. This one is big. Okay, let's do this one as the last resort. Okay, as the last one, because this one is big. This one is called Afternoon Tea 1. Okay, I like it because of the blue and the flowers and the food. It's a 46 by 36. So this one is pretty big. This one should have like a booklet. Yep. Here it is. It's like a book. And it has frames. Ta-da! 6 frames. That's great. That is great. I like it when it has the panels divided, because you can do it by panel. Take a look at that beauty. All the colors on it. Look at how beautiful it is. This one has 52 full stitch, 3 half stitch, 2 French knots, and 5 back stitch. Well, in the French knot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bead on it, a C bead. So this is great. It has 6 frames. Well, now let's take a look at this. It's 46 by 36, so but it's a landscape one. Take a look at this. A lot of confetti. A lot. Some blocking. But it has a lot of confetti, especially on the flowers. Okay, so this is about the same size of the swan among the flowers that we're doing a stitch along. I'm gonna post the latest video in here. Okay, so let's take a look at the threads, and after this we're done for part 1. And as you can see, also the 2 needles from Joy Sunday. Lots of beautiful colors, lots of them. Take a look at this. It's gonna be a lot of colorful colors. Take a look at this one. Take a look at these purples. Orange with the yellow. Look at the blues. 4 different shades of blue in here. Here it is, another shade of blue. Come on. Beautiful colors. Okay, so that's it for the first part of the Biggestcraft unboxing of some beautiful cross stitch. We have 2 left. We're gonna leave it for next week. Okay, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.